Good morning students. So welcome back to online maths class. So in the last class we were solving exercise 6.3 questions and we have solved up to the 13th one. Let us continue with the 14th question. The question is, find the equations of the tangent and normal to the given curves at the indicated points, and the first curve it is y which is equals to x to the power 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5 at 0 comma 5. This is the indicated point. So he has given the curve and he has given the point. We will have to find the equation of the tangent and the equation of the normal. Let us proceed with this. So here he has given the curve y which is equals to x to the power 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5. So I will go for the slope of the tangent, that is the derivative of the given function. So slope of tangent is dy by dx. Slope of tangent is dy by dx. So now that is dy by dx which is equals to, so now derivative of x to the power 4 will be 4x cube. It is 4x cube, and then minus derivative of 6 into x cube. Derivative of x cube will be 3x square. 3 into 6 it is 18. So 18x square, and then plus 26x, and then minus 10. This is the slope of the tangent. Now he has given the point 0 comma 5. Slope of tangent at 0 comma 5. So dy by dx at 0 comma 5. That means we have to replace x by 0. So this is going to be 4 into 0 cube, then minus 18 into 0 square, then plus 26 into 0, then minus 10. So all these three terms will be 0, and then slope of the tangent at 0 comma 5 is going to be minus 10. Therefore dy by dx at 0 comma 5 which is equals to minus 10. So this is the slope of the tangent. So next we will have to go for the equation of the tangent. So now the equation of the tangent at 0 comma 5. So it is y minus y naught. What is y naught? It is 5. Y minus 5. So y minus 5 which is equals to slope of the tangent at 0 comma 5. It is minus 10. This is f dash of x naught now. Minus 10 into x minus x naught. What is x naught here? X naught is 0. So now y minus 5 which is equals to x minus 0, it is x. X into minus 10 will be minus 10x. So now I take minus 10x to the left hand side, it becomes plus 10x. So 10x plus y minus 5 which is equals to 0. This is the required equation of the tangent at 0 comma 5. Or else this can also be written as y plus 10x minus 5 which is equals to 0. Next we will have to go for this the slope of the normal and the equation of the normal. So I will erase this and then I will go for the equation of the normal. See here. So here we have to write and the equation of the normal at 0 comma 5. So it is y minus y naught. It is 5 which is equals to, what is the formula y minus y naught, which is equals to minus 1 divided by f dash of x naught. So we have to take minus 1 divided by this one, minus 10. So minus 1 by minus 10 into x minus x naught, it is 0. So now see here, we'll simplify this. Y minus 5, which is equals to minus by minus, it is plus, you get 1 by 10. This is going to be x. So I take 10 to the left hand side, it will be multiplied with both the terms. You get 10y minus 50, 10y minus 50, which is equals to x. Now take x to the left hand side, it becomes minus x. Or else you take these two terms to the RHS. Anyway, you can write. So x minus 10y plus 50, this is equals to 0. This is the equation of the normal at 0 comma 5. So this is one way of writing. The other way is going to be 10y minus x minus 50, which is equals to 0. Both are same. So now we are done with the first sub question in the 14th main. So the second sub question is going to be, so the same curve, he has given the same curve and the point is going to be 1 comma 3. The point will be 1 comma 3. The point is 1 comma 3. So now let us evaluate this. Slope of the tangent. So we have to rewrite this. Till here it remains the same. So now we have to find the slope of the tangent at 1 comma 3. So here dy by dx at 1 comma 3. At 1 comma 3, which is equals to 4 into 1 cube and then minus 18 into 1 square and then plus 26 into 1 minus 10. So now which is equals to 4 into 1 cube, it is 4. Then here we get minus 18 and here you get plus 26 and then you get minus 10. So now 4 plus 26, it is 30 and then 30 minus 10, it is 20. 20 minus 18, it is 2. So for the second problem, the slope of the tangent is going to be 2. Let us write the equation of the tangent. Therefore, the equation of the tangent, at 1 comma 3 is y minus y naught. What is y naught here? It is 3. So y minus 3, this is equals to f dash of x naught. It is 2. So it is 2 into x minus x naught. It is 1. X naught value, it is 1 here. So the equation is going to be y minus 3, which is equals to 2x minus 2. Now take these two terms to the left hand side or these two to the right hand side. Anyway you can write. So here overall you get y minus 2x and then take minus 2 to the LHS, it becomes plus 2. Minus 3 plus 2, it is minus 1, which is equals to 0. So or else the other way is going to be 2x minus y and then if you take minus 3 to the right hand side, it becomes plus 3. 3 minus 2 will be 1. So 2x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. So we have got the equation of the tangent. Next we will have to go for the equation of the normal. So note down this and then I will write the equation of the normal. So here the equation of the normal at 1 comma 3 is y minus y naught. It is 3, y minus 3. This is equals to minus 1 divided by f dash of x naught or dy by dx. It is 2. So minus 1 divided by 2 into x minus x naught. It is 1. It is 1. So now take 2 to the left hand side, you get 2y minus 6 which is equals to, you have minus 1 into x minus 1. Now multiply minus 1 with these two terms. So 2y minus x, which is equals to minus x plus 1. Now take these two terms to the left hand side. So you get 2y plus x, and then take 1 to the left hand side, it becomes minus 1. You get minus 7, which is equals to 0. So this is the required equation of the normal for the second case in the 14th main. So note down this, and then we will move on to the third case. Well, we'll write the third case. It is y which is equals to x cube, y equal to x cube at 1 comma 1, at 1 comma 1. At 1 comma 1. He has given the curve and he has given the point. We will have to find the equation of the tangent and the equation of the normal. So let us go ahead with the solution. Slope of tangent is dy by dx, and then so dy by dx, which is equals to, what is the derivative of x cube? It is 3x square. So we get 3x square. Now slope of the tangent at 1 comma 1. So dy by dx at 1 comma 1. So this is going to be f dash of x naught. It is 3 into 1 square, which will be 3. So we have got the slope of the tangent. So with the help of this, we can write the equation of the tangent. Therefore, the equation of tangent at 1 comma 1 is y minus y naught, y naught it is 1, which is equals to f dash of x naught, it is 3, into x minus x naught, it is 1. Now let us simplify this. So you get y minus 1, which is equals to 3x minus 3. So now in the next step, take these two to the left hand side. You get y minus 3x, and then y minus 3x, and then take minus 3 to the left hand side, it becomes plus 3. 3 minus 1, it is 2. Y minus 3x plus 2, which is equals to 0. This is the equation of the tangent at 1 comma 1. Next we will have to write the equation of the normal. So now the equation of the normal at 1 comma 1 is y minus y naught, it is 1, which is equals to minus 1 divided by f dash of x naught, minus 1 divided by 3 into x minus x naught, it is 1. So y minus 1, or else I take 3 to the left hand side, it will be multiplied with both the terms. 3y minus 3, which is equals to this minus 1 multiply with these two terms, you get minus x, minus into minus, it is plus 1. So now overall it becomes 3y plus x, and then minus 4, which is equals to 0. So this is the required equation of the normal at 1 comma 1. So this is all about the third sub question. Next we will move on to the fourth sub question. So it is y which is equals to x square at 0 comma 0. Y equal to x square at 0 comma 0. Fourth one, y equal to x square at 0 comma 0. So now the slope of the tangent is dy by dx. Derivative of x square will be 2x. It is 2x, and then dy by dx at 0 comma 0. It is 0 comma 0, and then so here what do we get? 2 into 0. This is going to be 2 into 0. It will be 0. So overall the slope of the tangent is going to be 0. Then the equation of the tangent at 0 comma 0 is y minus y naught, it is 0, which is equals to f dash of x naught, that is also 0, into x minus x naught, it is 0. Then 0 into anything is always 0, and then y minus 0 will be y. So overall the equation of the tangent is going to be y, which is equals to 0. Then next we will have to find the equation of the normal. The equation of the normal at 0 comma 0. The equation of the normal at the point is 0 comma 0. So now see here, y minus y naught. What is y naught here? It is 0. So y minus 0, which is equals to minus 1 divided by the slope, it is 0, into x minus 0. Then so now y minus 0, it is y, which is equals to minus 1 divided by 0, x minus 0, it is x. So now take 0 to the left hand side, it will be multiplied with y, we get 0, which is equals to minus x, or x equal to 0, x equal to 0. This is the equation of the normal. And with this we have completed the fourth sub question, and we are left out with only one, that is the fifth sub question. We will solve that, and there he has given the parametric forms. Well, we'll write the fifth case. X equal to cos t, and then y which is equals to sin t, at t which is equals to pi by 4. At t which is equals to pi by 4. So now whenever the parametric forms are given, dy by dx is going to be dy by dt whole divided by dx by dt. So here the slope of the tangent is going to be dy by dx. Slope of tangent is dy by dx. Then dy by dx, which is equals to, what do we have now? dy by dt whole divided by dx by dt. So dy by dt is nothing but cos t, then divided by dx by dt. So derivative of cos t will be minus sin t, so it is minus sin t. So now dy by dx, which is equals to minus cot t, and the point is pi by 4. So dy by dx at t which is equals to pi by 4, at t equal to pi by 4, then what do we get? Which is equals to minus cot pi by 4, What is cot pi by 4? It is 1. That means the slope of the tangent is going to be minus 1. It is minus 1. So we have got the slope of the tangent. With the help of this, we can write the equation of the tangent. Therefore, the equation of the tangent through t equal to pi by 4 is y minus y naught. What is y naught? Y is sin t. So y naught is going to be at t equal to pi by 4. It is sin pi by 4. So y minus sine pi by 4, which is equals to f dash of x naught. So that is minus 1. It is minus 1 into x minus x naught. X naught is going to be cos pi by 4. It is cos pi by 4. So let us simplify this. Y minus 1 by root 2, then which is equals to minus 1 into x minus 1 by root 2. Then we'll simplify this. Y minus 1 by root 2 and then multiply minus with these two terms. You get minus x plus 1 by root 2. I take minus x to the left hand side and minus 1 by root 2 to the right hand side. So you get y plus x, which is equals to 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. So here the denominator is same. That means the numerators will be added up. We get 2 by root 2. How do you write 2? It is root 2 into root 2. So root 2 get cancels. You have only root 2 in the numerator. So y plus x, which is equals to root 2. So this is the required equation of the tangent. So note down this and then we'll write the equation of the normal through t, which is equals to pi by 4. So the next equation, it is equation of the normal. The equation of the normal through t equal to pi by 4 is y minus y naught. It is sine pi by 4, which is equals to minus 1 divided by the slope of the tangent. It is minus 1. Minus 1 into x minus x naught. It is cos pi by 4. And then y minus 1 by root 2. So minus 1 by minus 1 will be plus 1 into x minus 1 by root 2. So now y minus 1 by root 2, which is equals to 1 into this term will be, we get back the same term. We get x minus 1 by root 2. So minus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 get cancels. You get y equal to x. Y which is equals to x. So this is the required equation of the normal. So this is all about the 5th sub question, and with this we have completed the 14th main.